Hello students, welcome to my channel. So here is the question about describe the appearance and behavior of chromosomes during prophase and during anaphase of the mitosis. So students, in this question the examiner wants you to focus only on the chromosomes, the behavior of the chromosomes and the appearance of the chromosomes. You do not need to describe about the spindle fibers or about the nuclear envelope unless it relates to the chromosomes appearance or the behavior. So actually what happened in the prophase, so this is the cell, and inside the cell there is nucleus. So in the nucleus we already have the chromosomes. The chromosomes, they are duplicated before the prophase. There is the interphase, so the chromosomes, they become duplicated in the interphase. Now the chromosomes, they are already duplicated, but in the prophase the chromosomes, they become condensed and they become more visible. So over here you can write the chromosomes, they become condensed, they become more visible. And in the animal cell, the centrioles are present in the cell S, and these centrioles, they start forming the spindle fibers. So when the spindle fibers are formed and the chromosomes, they become more and visible and more condensed, the nuclear envelope, it disappears, and the spindle fibers, they separate throughout the cytoplasm. So we have the spindle fibers in the cytoplasm now, and these chromosomes, now what they do, they arrange themselves on these spindle fibers. So the chromosomes, they arrange themselves on the spindle fibers. So this happens at the prophase. So we can write over here the chromosomes attached to the spindle fibers. Okay, so for the 2 marker, just write any 2 points for prophase and write any 2 points for anaphase. So next is the anaphase. So what happens in the anaphase? In the cell, so in the anaphase, the chromosomes that are already etched over here. Now this region is called the centromere. This is the chromosome. These are the sister chromatids, and this is the centromere. And chromosomes, they are attached with the spindle fibers at the centromere. So during the anaphase, the centromere, these centromeres, they divide, they allow the sister chromatids to separate. So these 2 chromosomes, they become separated like this. So each chromatid, we consider this as a individual chromosomes, and they start pulling towards the spindle fibers. They start pulling towards the opposite poles. So these spindle fibers, they start pulling them towards the opposite pole. So half of the chromosomes, they move in the one side, and the half, they move on the other way. So for the anaphase, we can write the answer: the centromere split this position, the centromere split, and the chromatids, these are, I told you, this is the one chromatid, these are other, and the chromatids, they move to opposite poles. So the common mistake about this question is, in the exams, like the students, what they do, they start writing about the nuclear membrane, that the nuclear membrane disappears. They start writing about this, and they start writing everything about the prophase. Be careful, the question is only about the chromosomes, so only write about the chromosome behavior and the appearance, and separate your marks as well over here there are the 4 marks. So and the 2 stages are there, so it means 2 marks for each stage. So when you're writing the answer is, so write at least 2 points. You can write the 3 as well, but not less than 2. Thank you students. Follow my channel for more educational videos.